Imagine earning a six-figure income with just a pressure washer, some water, and a little business savvy. That's not just a dream. It's a reality for thousands of entrepreneurs who've capitalized on one of today's fastest-growing small business opportunities, pressure washing. Did you know that in the United States alone, the pressure washing industry generates an estimated $9 billion annually? And it's not just about cleaning driveways and decks anymore. This industry has expanded into high-stakes contracts with commercial properties, industrial sites, and even government projects. What's driving this boom? It's a combination of factors: advancing technology, rising demand for environmental sustainability, and an uptick in property value awareness, as pressure washing plays a major role in home and business upkeep. With the right approach, this field promises not only solid profits, but also flexibility and scalable growth potential. In this video, we'll explore why this industry's rapid development matters and its larger impact on property care, urban aesthetics, and individual livelihoods. We'll also cover the strategies successful entrepreneurs use to stand out, navigate challenges, and build a thriving pressure washing business. Whether you're thinking of going solo or scaling up, this guide will give you the tools, insights, and edge you need to succeed in this competitive field. Let's dive into the opportunities, challenges, and powerful strategies that await in the world of pressure washing. Step 1. Understanding the market landscape, opportunities, and demand. The demand for pressure washing services has skyrocketed in recent years, largely due to growing awareness of the value these services add to property maintenance. From residential homes to commercial complexes, clean exteriors attract better tenants, increase curb appeal, and contribute to higher property values. According to a recent survey, over 60% of homeowners regularly invest in exterior cleaning, with pressure washing leading the charge. This surge is partly due to the visual transformation these services provide, but also the health benefits of removing mold, mildew, and other contaminants. For new entrepreneurs, this is prime time to enter the field. With the housing market still strong and businesses investing more in property upkeep, pressure washing businesses can capitalize on both short-term and recurring cleaning needs. There are also niches that remain relatively untapped, such as eco-friendly pressure washing for environmentally conscious customers, or specialized services for high-rise buildings, historic properties, and even fleet cleaning for logistics companies. Another growing trend is the use of hot water pressure washing, which can be more effective for grease and grime removal, making it popular in commercial and industrial settings. Additionally, pressure washing is increasingly being used in environmentally focused projects, such as graffiti removal and pollution cleanup initiatives, adding a socially impactful dimension to the business. Key insight: look beyond residential driveways and consider targeting commercial and industrial clients. Securing contracts with local businesses or municipal buildings can lead to steady, lucrative revenue streams. This diversification not only boosts income, but also shields your business from seasonal dips in demand, which often impact residential services. Step 2. Getting started, essential equipment and costs. Starting a pressure washing business has relatively low entry costs, especially compared to other industries. Basic equipment includes a high-quality pressure washer, safety gear, surface cleaners, and cleaning solutions. A professional-grade pressure washer can range from $500 to $2,500 depending on specifications, but this investment often pays for itself after a few successful jobs. However, having the right equipment isn't enough. Understanding the nuances of pressure levels, water flow rates, and appropriate chemicals for different surfaces can set you apart. Using the wrong pressure settings can damage materials and lead to costly liabilities. Learning the trade and getting certified, when required, can significantly enhance your credibility and appeal to a wider range of clients. For example, OSHA offers certifications for power washing operators working in high-risk environments, which is a valuable asset when targeting commercial clients. For environmentally conscious customers, investing in equipment that minimizes water usage or uses biodegradable cleaning solutions can be a major selling point. Some machines even offer options to recycle water, which can be a game changer in areas with water restrictions or high environmental standards. Key insight: start with affordable yet durable equipment, then upgrade as your client base grows. Always factor in maintenance costs, as a reliable machine is the backbone of your service. Also, invest in training for you and any team members to ensure safety and professionalism in all services. Step 3. building a brand, marketing, and client retention. With the basics set, it's time to focus on building a brand that stands out. Marketing in the pressure washing industry is critical, and successful businesses often leverage both digital and traditional strategies. Building a strong online presence is essential, from an engaging website with before and after galleries to active profiles on platforms like Facebook and Google My Business. These channels allow potential customers to see your work, read reviews, and connect easily, which are all crucial for attracting new clients. Search engine optimization, SEO, is especially useful in this industry, as many potential clients search for pressure washing services near me online. Ranking highly in search results can dramatically increase visibility and drive business. Paid ads can also be effective, particularly on platforms like Google Ads and Facebook, where you can target your ads to local audiences. Moreover, word-of-mouth referrals are highly effective in this field. Satisfied clients often become long-term customers and share their experiences with friends, family, and neighbors. To encourage loyalty, consider implementing referral programs or discounts for recurring services. For example, you could offer a seasonal contract that guarantees regular cleaning, positioning your service as a must-have for property upkeep. Key insight: develop a marketing plan that aligns with your target market. If you're going for residential customers, consider sponsoring local events or distributing flyers in high-traffic areas. For commercial clients, a professional website, SEO, and cold outreach are crucial. Make it easy for customers to reach you and provide consistent, excellent service to encourage positive reviews and referrals. Consider networking with property managers, real estate agents, and local businesses that can refer clients to your service. Partnerships with businesses in related fields like landscaping or home maintenance can also be mutually beneficial. Hosting free pressure washing demonstrations at local events or fairs can attract potential clients, allowing them to see the transformative impact of your services firsthand. Conclusion: starting a pressure washing business offers a pathway to high profitability and flexibility, with the potential to grow into a full-fledged enterprise. As we've discussed, the industry is packed with opportunity, from serving homeowners who want to enhance curb appeal to securing contracts with businesses looking to maintain a pristine exterior. But building a successful pressure washing business goes beyond just the practical steps of setting up equipment and finding clients. It requires strategic thinking, a focus on quality, and the agility to adapt to market trends. The pressure washing industry is continuously evolving, driven by both technological advancements and shifting consumer priorities. Staying updated with the latest techniques, tools, and environmentally friendly practices can help you maintain a competitive edge. Over time, you can consider expanding your offerings, such as adding soft washing for delicate surfaces, or even specialized cleaning for solar panels, which has gained popularity due to the growth of green energy. By understanding your market, investing in the right tools, and building a solid brand, you can stand out in this increasingly competitive field. Remember, every clean surface is a testament to your work, and every satisfied customer is a step toward long-term success. Embrace these strategies and position your business not just for immediate gains, but for sustainable, scalable growth in a booming industry. As you grow, think strategically about reinvesting profits into advanced equipment or marketing, always keeping an eye on the bigger picture, creating a reputable, resilient business that will thrive in any economic climate.